The parts are in for the Ford Contour. This is the caliper. This is company. Let's see. Sends the bracket with it, so when I send it back to get my money for my core charge, I will have to send the bracket back too. It even come with the brake hardware also. So we'll get started. We got both sides. This is the left passenger side, or the right side. Yeah, this is the right side. Excuse me. Right side. And then I got the left side also. So to take the caliper bracket off, there's two 15mm bolts, one there and one right there. And we're going to end up moving this too, and we're going to bend the line up and around because I don't like how this is set up. So we're going to get that taken care of today. Okay, we got one caliper on. Apparently that line's supposed to go that way, so we're going to leave it that way. So we got the hardware on. We're all good and set to go with the caliper on this side. Alright, we're back. I got everything hooked up on both sides. Gonna move around here, show you the other side. Got everything hooked up. Even got the brake line on in this side. So 3 more brake lines to go. Then we're gonna be bleeding them. So when that's done, I'll be back and I'll record that too with the brake lines and show you how I ran this one here. So if you guys like my videos, please like and subscribe. Hit the thumbs up button, that really helps. Subscribing really helps. That way I can bring a lot better content to you. So everybody have a wonderful and great day.